Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can watch different type of content on the Vimeo website, how you can watch the videos, shorts and all things here. So you can also do that. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the Vimeo website, and after opening the Vimeo website your dashboard will be look like this. Now if you want to watch the videos, you can also do that. Simply you have to come to this option. As you can see, as option for the watch, so we have to click on the watch option, and after clicking on the watch option you will get the different type of videos here. You will get a lot of videos. Now you have to choose that which video you want to watch. As you can see, these different types of videos are provided here. For example, I'm going to choose this one, so I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, it's up to you internet speed. If your internet will be fast, then you will get the faster results. So as you can see, it's loading. We have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, here's the video is running. Now if you want to watch this video, you can also do that. If you want to download this, you have to click on the download, and after clicking on the download, the video will be downloaded. As you can see, now you have to choose the result of the video, resolution of the video, and you can also like or dislike these videos as well. So in this way you can watch a video on Vimeo. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.